Alright, welcome back to another 5 minutes Excel tutorial. In this lesson, we want to take a look at how we add and remove columns and rows, and also we'll take a quick look at how to sort data accordingly. So let's jump into it. We're using the same worksheet that we had last time, where we did using formulas. We spoke about items, amount purchased, cost per unit, and total cost. And what I want to do is to show you guys quickly how to insert a new column. So say for example we wanted to insert a new column just before the amount purchased. We can place our cursor anywhere in the column that we want to insert or where we want the column inserted. Right click and choose insert followed by entire column. And that will insert a new column for us just before the one that we had selected. We can delete back our column if we made a mistake and we want to get rid of a particular column, or we just want to get rid of a column. We can right click in the column and choose delete entire column, and that will delete our entire column again. We can do the same thing for rows. Say we wanted to add a new value just before sugar. We can right click on the row and choose to insert entire row. And what that does is that it inserts a new row for us just above the one that we had. Same thing for deleting rows. We can right click and delete rows. So let me just put in an example here. Say for example we're entering a new um, item. I already have beans there, so let's do onions. I'm entering a new item, so and we're doing onion by the pound, and we purchased um, 6 pounds at $1.05. We'll need to continue our formula by using the autofill feature, and that will find that for us. So what we want to do is that we want to now look at sorting our data. So we can sort our item names by highlighting our item names, going to the editing group under the home tab, and choose sort A to Z in ascending order. Now what that will do, it will bring up this box and have Excel say expand the selection, so it changes all the data along with it. So sort, I will notice this is in alphabetical order, right? Next thing, let's sort the same set of data in descending order. What I want you to notice is that the amount purchased, cost per unit, and the total cost is changing along with the sorting. Now, say for example, we didn't want to do a sort by item name, but we want to do a sort by the amount purchased, because we want to know which item was purchased the most, right? So we can click anywhere and go to sort and do custom sort. And we can sort by amount purchased on the value, and we'll do largest to smallest, right? And there are several options here. So click on OK. It now is sorting by the amount purchased from the largest to the smallest. Let's do one more sorting and we'll sort by total cost from largest to smallest. So give it a try. We'll do sort, custom sort by total cost from largest to smallest. So now we have our largest cost here, which was onions, and the smallest cost here, which was salt, right? Now we could also sort, notice that these are the same cost. We could also do a multi-level sorting and have it sort by total cost and then sort by cost per unit. So let's do that. On a custom sort, we'll sort by total cost, which we want. We will add in a new level and sort by cost per unit, and from, let's do largest to smallest also, right? And this should get these two sorted out, and again because they have the same total cost, right? So okay, so ideals of course salt. Okay, and see what happens. It now sorted these two. After it did this sorting, it sorted these two so that the salt would appear before ideals because of the multi-level sorting. Then, so in this lesson, we took a look at how to add and remove columns and rows. We also took a look at sorting and jumped into some custom sorting. See you in the next lesson.